यहाँ पर भी देखिए।
Yes. Come. इसे उठाएगा कौन? बहुत मुश्किल काम।
So strong, yeah.
We wanted to show people that no matter where you travel in the world, you can always dress compassionately without harming an animal. India holds a very special place in our heart. You know, that's our original motherland, and we are so excited to
Of it without having someone else's skin on you. Be comfortable in your own skin.
Thank you.
That was a fun shoot. Now I would request Harshvardhan Rane to show the website, Pita India's website, where the entire lookbook is.
Property.
Unveil. Very good. Our fashion, it's India's first vegan fashion lookbook. I think it was really nice to do it with guys who actually believe in this concept. And what we were trying to sell is that you can look as fabulous and fashionable without using animal skins. I think humans are, I know that humans are the only animals who would wear another animal skin. I don't think there'd be an elephant who would say, I want to look like a zebra today. Put on a zebra skin. And we can never be as stylish as animals, so I don't think we should try it. And as he said in the video, that the alternatives that we have nowadays are so great, you can't even tell the difference. Like the skirt I'm wearing right now is a faux leather skirt. It's not real leather, it's fake. But it looks and feels like a real leather skirt. So you can do all this without harming animals, because when you make stuff out of animal skins, the torture that they go through just for you to wear a belt or wool or fur or anything, the torture that they go through is really, really cruel. I don't think a lot of people even know about how much animals go through for you to wear that one stylish garment that you would find stylish. So if you actually love fur and want to wear all these fabrics, you should use the alternatives that we have, which are very, 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 very stylish, and you can still look awesome.
And you do look awesome.
Thank you.
I'll request Harshvardhan to say.
Okay, great. Hello. So I'm from Gwalior. यहाँ पे शुरू में हम लोगों ने लेदर का बहुत ज़्यादा यूसेज देखा है और स्कूल में it used to be a fashion. I want to talk about this because it's what I grew up with. But this is my choice. वो जो मुझे जिस चीज़ का एक्सपोजर मिला था, वो मुझे सोसाइटी ने जो बोला, दोस्तों ने जो बताया, तो वो मैंने जो सीखा. लेकिन अब मैं टाइम के साथ सीख रहा हूँ. Thanks to Pita, I get to learn and understand what actually goes behind the scenes. जब इन्होंने मुझे वीडियोस दिखाए, it was heart wrenching to see animals being skinned alive. और वो लोग एनिमल को obviously मारना ही गलत है, but वो मारने का तरीका अगर आप देख लेंगे तो आप शायद हमारी तरह लेदर छूने का आपका भी मन नहीं होगा, क्योंकि वो इतना आलसी और सस्ता तरीका ढूंढते हैं एनिमल को मारने का. It's way beyond being cruel, which is again emphasizing on the fact that killing an animal itself is wrong, and the way they're killing it, it's absolutely wrong. So all thanks to Pita, thanks to Ada for standing up with this cause. And today my choice is that I do not want to wear leather, because I know some living thing is being skinned off alive. तो मैं पहली बार किसी फेक चीज़ के लिए एंडोर्स करूँगा, वो है लेदर, फेक लेदर. Fake can also be beautiful. I know I don't want to give example. That does not sound correct.
It sounded very nice.
Okay.
It was concept fake sounded like.
So फेक के अंदर आप अपनी इच्छाएं पूरी कर सकते हैं. प्लीज किसी जीवित चीज को ऐसा चीर-फाड़ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट टू लुक गुड. आप अगर मार्केट में जाएंगे, थोड़ा सा भी रिसर्च करेंगे तो आपको इसके बहुत सारे ऑल्टरनेटिव्स मिल जाएंगे. और हम लोगों ने कोशिश करी है. और ये दुनिया की सबसे खूबसूरत फर्नीचर है, टेबल टॉप, जिस पे आप
I know, देखिए हमारे photographer ने he used me as a table and एक दूसरे इसमें
मैं भी यहाँ टेबल को गमला पकड़ा हुआ.
हाँ, पर एक में आपके ऊपर फूल फेंके, पर मेरे ऊपर डब्बे फेंके हमारे बहुत टैलेंटेड फोटोग्राफर ने.
नहीं, but we had a
It was
great
stunning
time.
images. Thank you, Vish.
थैंक यू. एंड फेक चीजें पहनने के बावजूद, फेक लेदर के बावजूद अगर हम लोग ठीक ठाक दिख सकते हैं, तो दिस इज एन एग्जांपल व्हिच दे आर ट्राइंग टू सेट कि यू डू नॉट हैव टू डिपेंड ऑन लेदर एंड एनिमल क्रूelty. सो आई रियली स्टैंड अप फॉर दिस एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much. Now I request Vishesh to say a few words.
Fashion is all about having fun, I think, and we had a lot of fun. It's about feeling good about yourself, whoever you are, being comfortable in your own skin. And I don't think anyone, if you have a reasonably normal conscience, can feel good about wearing leather when you know what goes on behind the scenes. And you can get the same look. You can feel great about yourself. You can, with using faux leather and substitute materials. And we just wanted to showcase it. And fashion is a fun thing. Like I've always thought, like it's what everyone's enjoying, feeling good about themselves, wearing the latest things, putting colors together, and having fun with it. That's why we try to bring fun into this. And the Peter team was very supportive. We had these wild ideas, and then we pulled it off. No questions asked. And Ada and Harsh were just wonderfully supportive. It was great to be part of this project. Thank you, Peter.
Thank you, Ben.
Thank you so much.
We take bite because there's no audio.
हाँ, ये कम आ रही है इस पर.
Can I have one question, like?
हम लोग अपनी आवाज